Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. It's that time of the week again, another installment of Soul Food Sunday. And again, I will be collaborating with one of my favorite YouTube channels, Smoking and Grilling with AB. So make sure after you watch this video, you head on over to his channel and see what he's cooking up for Soul Food Sunday. And also take a look at his other recipes. I'm sure you'll find something you'll love. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description below. Today I'll be making beer braised beef short ribs. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. You will need 3 pounds of beef short ribs, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 onion, 2 carrots, 3 stalks of celery, 1½ cups of beef stock, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 sprigs of thyme, 1 bay leaf, 1 22-ounce bottle of Guinness beer, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Add your oil to your Dutch oven and using medium-high heat, bring your oil to temperature. In small batches, brown your ribs on all sides. After they have browned, remove the ribs and set them aside until later. Now saute your onions for 5 minutes. Add the garlic, celery, and carrots and continue sauteing for another 5 minutes. Add the tomato paste and brown sugar and mix well. Pour in the beef stock and beer, then season with the salt and pepper. Add the thyme and bay leaf, then return the short ribs to the pot. Bring your liquid to a light boil, then cover and transfer it to the preheated oven. Allow your ribs to braise undisturbed for 2 hours. After 2 hours, remove the ribs from the oven and now they are ready to plate. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.